Wow, it is really hard being this pretty. It's hard. It's a full-time job and it's hard, but somebody's got to do it. Am I right, ladies?
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to what.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. And today I'm going to show you how to get this super cute purple blue beat. So if you want to look like a blueberry like me, then you came to the right place. All right, so I want to start with eyeshadow. I don't want to start with brows because I want to try to do my foundation before my brows, but I have to do my eyeshadow first. So I'm gonna do eyeshadow, foundation, brows, just so you're not watching me like, what is Shawty doing? I'm gonna go into the crease and I'm gonna take this purple, that one right there, and I'm gonna start to just build that up in the crease. Just, you know, get the ball rolling. I really just need to like do something extra and bright and colorful and fun. I thought it would feel weird doing eyeshadow without my brows done, because you know, brows is like, you know, the centerfold of the face, but nope. I wish I could like play music on like doing my makeup, but I don't have like I have Apple Music and I don't have a MacBook, so like I don't have like a playlist of music on YouTube to play from my laptop, and I have an iPad, but my iPad is currently uploading a video because I edit on my iPad. So I'm gonna sit here and talk to myself. I was gonna do that anyway though.
Oh, I'm gonna do that anyway. I'm gonna do that anyway because that's how I am.
Now I'm going to get a little fancy. Just follow, okay? I'm going to take the Elegoo Pro Conceal and cut the crease. I've gotten a lot better at cut creases because I had to learn my eye shape. Now I have to make my cut creases kind of go up more, like from the inner corner rather than out on the lid, if that makes any sense. Because of my eye shape like would not deal with the cut crease the way that I was doing it before. I was thinking, should I build up more purple before I go in, but this is good for my starting. After I cut a crease and like it's actually decent, I'm like always afraid to blink or move or breathe or do anything. All right, now that I am pleasantly surprised at how well things are going, I'm going back into the 35B and I'm gonna take this bright blue. But first, I'm going to put glitter glue on my eyes because that is a hack. It makes the eyeshadows much more vibrant, like almost neon. It makes it so bright. Okay, I know things look a little messy right now, but she's gonna be cute. Take my word for it. All right, so now let's finish the eyes. I'm gonna go back in and build up more of this same purple, and now we're gonna dip into the deeper purple too and put it on the outer third. I don't even know what it's called. I don't know anything about makeup. I have to really like take my time and blend and like make this go how I envisioned it, because I have the worst habit of rushing my makeup. I feel like I say that every time I'm doing like a real makeup video. I have the worst habit of rushing my makeup, and like the term "you can't rush perfection" is true. Like if you want something to be perfect, you cannot rush it. I feel like a superhero. I don't know why. These colors are just giving me like superhero vibes. Oh yeah, she's coming together. I feel like a superhero. I don't know why. I feel like what's her name? What is her name? I should call Paul, because he's really into like comics and superheroes and stuff. He would know. Starfire. Aren't these like the Starfire colors? I don't know. I'm probably wrong. As you can see, it's not really like a true cut crease, but even when I'm not doing a cut crease, like a real cut crease look, I find myself cutting the crease to give me like a basis for like lid space, because I have to create more lid space because my eyes are pretty hooded. So pretty. Oh my god, I can't believe I did this. Oh, now we're gonna move on to foundation and then brows. I'm pretty excited for brows because I know I need to just like really snatch my brows, because this eyeshadow look is so good that I can't have mediocre brows. Okay, now I'm done poking myself in the eye and being angry about eyelashes. So let's move on to mi cara. I'm taking the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation, and I'm priming with the what's it called? I'm priming with the Mario Badescu Rose Water, because like I've said before, primers break me out all the time. Now I'm going to unenthusiastically move on to my brows. And I say unenthusiastically because everything after the eyeshadow has been a nightmare. I'm taking the Anastasia Dip Brow because I haven't gotten around to buying a brow wiz. I know I've said this in like 3 videos now. I'm busy. I'm a busy girl. Now I'm taking the same LA Girl Pro Conceal to conceal my face and clean up under my brows. I'm such a bird. I'm like always doing this. Like, you wanna fight? You wanna fight me? Alright, because there's so much going on in the eyes, I'm going to contour and bronze with one product. Of course, if you're not new here, you know it's the e.l.f. Blush and Bronzer Duo. I'm going to use the bronzer there to bronze and contour at the same dang time. Alright, so yesterday I couldn't find my nose contour brush. And, you know, it was whatever. But today I can't find my nose contour brush, and it's not whatever. And I'm gonna rip my room apart after I finish filming this video because I need to find it. My nose contour is the most important thing in the world to me. Like, my nose contour is more important than any person or anything to me. And so the fact that I can't find my nose contour brush, not to be dramatic, it's like gonna make me die. Now I'm gonna set my concealed areas, and then I'm going to do blush, and y'all know that's the favorite part of the routine for me. My name is Nyra, and I love putting on blush. It's all I think about is blush. When I think makeup, I don't think eyebrows, I don't think eyeshadow, I don't think contouring, I definitely don't think highlight, I think blush. Blush has changed my life and made me a better person. Comment your blush experiences down below. Blush makes me feel happy. Blush is like the color yellow. It's like you can't really not be happy about it, you know? I used to think the color yellow was hideous, but now it's like my favorite color right now. We love an indecisive queen. I'm gonna take some highlighter. I'm taking Amber Gold from the Anastasia Glow Kit in Ultimate Glow, and I'm not gonna show you because if you're not new here, you know that my glow kit is very broken. I have a video on my channel here called Makeup Products That Have Broken, Shattered, or Destroyed. You should check it out if you're into cringing. You know what's funny though? As cute as I feel, there's no amount of cute to make me feel like, you know, what I went through with these eyelashes was okay. It's never gonna be okay, and I'm never gonna let this go. I'm gonna hold on to this and cry about it like a month from now. It's gonna be like, I can't believe my eyelashes didn't go on. All right, now I'm gonna spray with some rose water because I don't use setting spray or anything. And then we are finished after we let the rose water melt all this beat into our face. In the lab, like I'm Rick and Morty. I don't want to use too much because I really like the way my skin was looking. I just want to kind of melt it into the face a bit. A little bit more than it already was. Wow, it is really hard being this pretty. It's hard. It's a full-time job and it's hard, but somebody's got to do it. Am I right, ladies? I know, bitch, that's my life. I won't ever fold a nigga speaking on look quick and that nigga gotta go. I'm really small, but I can fight, but I'ma steal up that. Thank you guys so much for watching me just do my makeup. It's like crazy that there are people interested in makeup videos, and it's crazy that I'm one of the people interested in makeup videos because it's literally just watching other people do their makeup, but it's so satisfying and educational. I don't even know, whatever. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a like and a comment and subscribe, because if you made it this far, you know you like your girl, so just go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Hit your phone like, what's up when you try and get this sex from me? You know I don't mean no disrespect, honey. Hey, ain't no gas, you the best, honey. Fine ass in a pic, had to get a text from you. Loving how that gold sit on your neck, honey. That gold chain is on your neck. I love the way you dress, got a nigga so impressed.